Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. It comes with a 1.5 Blue HDI engine with 130 horsepower and an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Outside the car there's 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car there's the touchscreen that features connected 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car was first registered at the end of October in 2018, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.